Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Rosie gushes over Kachi. Rosie won the Ultimate Love reality show season 1. It's been learned the pair are currently on having fun of their life at a undisclosed hotel. Apparently, Rosie has been sharing pictures and giving her fans updates. Taking to her page to express her love for her man Kachi, she stated that she never going to let him go. Recalled that she had picked David in the show, but David went ahead to pick Fresh Talker. Sharing the picture of Kachi, she wrote, "When I say I am blessed, lucky to be with you, to have you in my life, it's an understatement. I love you so much with all that I am. I love you from the depth of my soul and being. I am never letting go. This journey we have started together, may God bind us with everlasting cords of love, joy, trust, honesty, sincerity, loyalty, understanding, happiness, peace, and unity that can never be broken. Amen. I love you at I am Kachi." Roksie, Rock Nation, Rosie and Kachi. Okay guys, we are happy that their love is still going strong and it is moving to the permanent site. Okay, just stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment, and I'll be bringing you more gist from your favorite Ultimate Love couple.